Eggs, come on, we all love them, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So today, I'm gonna show you my favorite way to cook eggs. So gently heat that pan, just gently. If you start cracking eggs into a cold pan, whatever pan it is, it's gonna stick. So get some heat in there, okay? I like to start with a tiny drop, just a tiny drop of oil. Literally, just a touch. And then from there, a little knob of butter. Now, butter goes in. And before I do anything else, melt that butter. Turn the heat down. Season that butter. So my egg's seasoned underneath. Touch of salt, touch of pepper. Get my egg, crack it on a flat surface, and then literally drop it down, open it up, and crack that into the pan. Now, back onto the heat, generate a touch of your heat, nice and gentle, and just gently shake that. And that helps that non-stick to work its magic. Now, look at it, it's starting to blister and bubble, the heat's getting in. I'm gonna turn the heat back down now. Now, hear that noise? That's the chef's dream. Let that blister on the outside. But look, gently move it. I like a touch of chili flake on my fried egg. Just a touch. And then what I do now is literally get the butter, shake that gently, and just baste the egg whites around the yolk. And look, beautiful. And look, bring it onto a cold surface. That'll help separate. And then underneath, I like my yolk really nice and runny. Shake, shake, shake. Now, when we come to serve, spatula, drain off your egg. And there we have a beautiful, stunning, delicious fried egg. But look, runny yolk, nice, crispy, delicious egg white. And when you finish it with that little touch of chili flake, it elevates that amazing flavor.